say my name is Ken? Very good. Pronounce the S sound, okay? How old are you, Ken? Are you 8 years old or 9 years old? How old are you? Can you say, I'm 9 years? I'm 9 years old. Years old. Okay, practice at home. And how are you today? Okay, you're fine. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. Okay. What color do you like, Ken? Red. Okay. And what animals do you like? Dogs. You like dogs. Okay. No problem. Are you ready for the speaking test? Okay. Sit nicely and speak loudly. Let's talk about this picture. Can you tell me where is the place? Is this a supermarket? No. What is this place? Bedroom? No. What is this? Classroom. Very good. Speak loudly. Okay, in the classroom, can you give me things that you can see? Okay, can you give me 10 things you can see in the classroom? Ready? Go. I can see. Bags. Clock, books, and books, right? Okay, very good. How many bags do you see? How many bags? How many bags do you see? 2 bags. Okay. How many chairs do you see? How many chairs do you see?
1 chair.
Very good. What about table? How many tables are there? How many tables?
4.
How many tables? 1, 2, 3. And this one is a desk. Desk. Okay, so 3 tables. Very good. Now look at the teacher. Where is the teacher? The teacher is here. Where is the teacher? Remember in, on, in front, behind, under, in front of the door. Very good. Next, where is the clock? Clock is on the wall. Say it again. The clock is on the wall. It is on the wall. Wall. Okay. Yeah, above the board. Speak loudly. Board. Above the board. Above the board. Okay, good. Now look. How many bananas do you see? Where are the bananas? Where are the bananas? Bananas are bananas under the chair. Look, what is it? Radio. Where is the radio? Radio is in the table. In the table. They are on the table. Okay, good. Where are the 2 computers? Are here. On the desk. Very good. What are the 2 kids doing? The kids are playing are playing ball. The kids are playing ball. Very good. Now, look at this boy. Can you tell me what is he wearing? Now, wearing. What is he wearing? The boy is wearing yellow. Yellow what? Yellow shirt and blue trousers. Very good. And what is the girl wearing? What is the girl wearing? The girl is wearing pink sweater and what else? Skirt. Okay. Now what is the boy doing? The boy is very good. What is he wearing? What is he wearing? Green t-shirt. Where is the red bag? Where? Where is the red bag? The bag is... Where is the bag? In front of the table. And where is the yellow bag? Is behind. Oh, I think it's not behind. Next to, in front of. Okay. Well, that's the end of our speaking test. Okay. Say goodbye now, teacher. Goodbye. See you again.